We do many activities on the computer daily, like using emails, browsing websites, using applications, programming and much more. These activities on the computer generate caches in form of temporary files and don't get deleted by themselves. So, if you have an issue with some apps or want to free some disk space, then it will be the right time to clear your cache files. Let me show you how. Press Shift, Command, G all together and write the cache folder location. If you don't want to use the shortcut, then in Finder, select Go, then go to Folder. Write the location of the cache folder and press Enter. It will open the folder that will contain all the application cache files. Select all in that folder and delete them. Now, your application folder cache is cleared. There are other caches also like a browser and system cache. You can clear browser cache manually, but it's risky to clear the system cache. I would suggest using Clean My Mac software. It's a complete package of clearing all the caches and many features to boost your system performance. Though it's paid, but it's worth having on your Mac system. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.